Hi friends, welcome to Simple Trading Tips channel. Today we will see some benefits of investing in stock market. Generally, people think like, why should I invest in stock market or why should I do stock market trading? When I am able to get some interest by FDs or bank deposits or post office schemes, etc. etc. Sorry. So today we'll see some of the benefits. And first and foremost thing is stock market has a high liquidity. That is, we can buy and sell the shares whenever we want and make the money. So when the when the stock market is working. And second point is, with some knowledge, experience and discipline in stock market, we become millionaires or billionaires based on your skills. Actually here stock market is as far as I think is, it is the only way which makes you millionaires or billionaires based on especially mentioned like based on your skills. So to do this, actually you need some knowledge, experience, and on top of all this, discipline is most important, because stock market is just a game of emotions. So if you are good in controlling your emotions and taking the trade and the right time of entry and the right exit, and when coming to all these points, if you are perfect in the execution of your trades, then stock market gives a better opportunity to become a millionaire or billionaire. And next point is easiness in buying and selling of stocks. So you don't need much knowledge about buying and selling of stocks, but of course you need knowledge which stock to buy, when to buy, how to buy, where to buy, and everything. But it is very easy to buy and sell stocks and make money. And next comes is we can earn more money in short term also. In stock market, we have different types of tradings like short term trading, long term trading, swing trading, scalping, intraday, everything. So here you can select your type of trading based on your risk appetite, and you can make money in short terms also. Whereas in other instruments, we can't do this, because we need to wait for a long time to get handsome returns. And next point is, we can start trading with less money, which is not possible in other businesses like real estate. Next to stock market, real estate gives you good income, but in real estate you have a liquidity problem. That is, you cannot sell your property whenever you want. But whereas in stock market, it is easy to buy, it is easy to sell, it is easy to get profits with, based on your knowledge. And in stock market you can start your trading with less amount of money also. But whereas in real estate, you need lump sum of investment, that is in lakhs. But whereas in stock market, just you need like in thousands, you can start your trading and you can earn money. Next point is, there are well diversified sectors in to invest and protect from the risk. See here, and here in stock market we have different sectors like FMCG, IT, banking, pharma. In this way we are having different sectors. You can select any of the sector and you can invest and you can diversify your risk. What I mean to say is, suppose your favorite stock is like TCS. Instead of investing all of your money in one own stock, that is TCS, you can diversify your investments and you can get rid of the risk. And second point is, we get dividends from the stocks as a regular income. See here, suppose if you invest in stocks like Nifty 50 stocks like TCS, HDFC, Reliance, they will be giving dividends every quarterly or half yearly or yearly. So we can enjoy those dividends as a regular income. Whereas this is not possible in real estate or some other business, because we get returns only after the maturity or only when we sell the property. And next point is advantage of growing economy. As the economy grows, the business grow and create employment, so share price also increases. This point says nothing but like consider like you can consider like a company like Wipro. Suppose when it was started 35 years back, it was around consider like 1 rupee. Now it is like 300 rupees. And there is a popular story like someone invested 10,000 rupees 35 years back in Wipro, and now his total income is like 537 crores. Just imagine, with an investment of 10,000 rupees in a span of 35 years, you are getting 537 rupees, which is possible only in stock market, which is not possible in any other instrument or in any other business. And that too, and one more thing you should definitely remember is, here you are not continuously monitoring your investments, and you are not using your brain. You are just investing and forgetting. Okay, just with invest and forget scheme also, you are earning some crores of rupees. Okay, but you need to invest at correct time, and you need to judge at the time of investment. But after accurately judging everything and investing, you can forget for long term purpose. This is possible only in the stock market. And so here also you can say that companies like as the economy grows, the business grows. Means economy means the combination of all the topmost companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HDFC, Reliance, TCS, and everything, every topmost companies. The growth of these companies is called as what do you say, economy's growth. So if these businesses are growing, economy also will be growing simultaneously. So we can take the advantage of the growing economy. Suppose someone may ask, like, what if I invested in 1 lakh rupee in some company, and suppose if it comes to zero. Suppose I invested in 10 companies, and those companies come to zero. And here what I want to say is, so those companies, those 10 companies coming to zero means our economy coming to zero. So that never happens. So you can you can invest in the stock market fearlessly. So in this way you can take the advantage of the growing economy. And next point is, in recession. In recession, we can't sell our properties as there is no cash flow in the market, and therefore no buyers. So you need to sell them at very low prices. Generally, this point, real estate, the people who are doing real estate business will come to know this point. Suppose in the recession time, if you want to sell your property, there is no money in the market, and so there are no buyers also. But you want to sell your property and make cash immediately, or in very urgent need of money, but you need to sell at very very low price. But even though some may not find the buyers, but some find the buyers also, they need to sell their property at very low price. Whereas in say in when you come to the stock market, say here in stock market, we can mitigate these risks by hedging our positions. In this way, we can earn money both in falling and rising markets. And this point is continuation to the previous point. When I say, as I said, in recession you can't sell your properties, but whereas in stock market, suppose if there is a chance of like a recession or some other thing, and the stock markets are falling, what can you do is you can actually hedge your positions. So in this way you can earn money both in falling and rising markets. See here, you have invested 1 lakh rupees, and market is going positive. Your investments automatically will grow to 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 1 lakh 50,000. Suppose what if the market is falling? So in falling markets also, what we can do is you can hedge your positions. Hedging means that is, you bought 1,000 shares of some XYZ company, and that XYZ company 1,000 rupees share is coming down to 950, 900, 850. So at this point of time, if you hedge your positions, that is trading opposite direction, that is you will be betting like this company will price will be falling, so you will sell the positions. That is in derivatives market, you can sell the positions and you can hedge them. So that loss which you bought in the stocks will be recovered in hedging your positions. Suppose your price is 1,000 rupees, and now after the market falling, your price came down to 600 rupees. You got 400 rupees loss. And the same time, in the opposite direction, what you say, you sell one lot and you will hedge the positions, so you will cover the that loss of 400 rupees. So what you can do, what you gain is, you will gain the 400 profit. So you will be in zero loss and zero profit. So this is called as hedging. and in next classes we'll go in depth of this topic. So in this way, in recession or in rising market or in falling market, in any type of market, you can earn from the stock market. This is the actually this is the best game in the stock market, which is not possible in any other markets. Now next point, you will be your own boss. You can do your trading whenever and from wherever you like to do. See here, actually at the time of coronavirus, there is no chance to go out and do jobs or business, but in this position also we are able to do the business in stock market. You are able to trade sitting at your home, and in the normal markets you will be your own boss and you will be trading as per your knowledge, as per your investment, and you will be earning in the stock market, which is not possible in any other business. Next, we can take the taxation benefits, as the tax on investments is very low. And this point, coming to this point, actually government changes the taxation policies every year. So as of now, there are no investment, there are no taxes for the investments which are from post 1 year. Suppose you have invested today, then after 1 year, there is no tax on the investment. In this way, there are some liberations in investments, so you will be taxed very less for long term investments, not short term investments. That is like, suppose you have invested today and after 3 months you got 1 lakh profit and you have sold your positions. So for that 3 lakhs, that is a short term returns, so you will be taxed for that. I am speaking about the long term investments. Suppose you have bought some stocks and you have held it for almost 10 years or 5 years, more than 1 year, then you will not be taxed, or you will be taxed very less. And next point comes to, with stock market investments, we become a part of our growing economy. This point is very, what you say, like you are investing in our growing economy and you will be part of the our growing economy, and you should feel very proud, as you are investing in our own economy and you are part of the growing economy. So in this way we are having these many benefits in investing stock market, in investing in stock market. So we can do investing or trading or anything in stock market, and then we can earn. So after seeing this, you can decide which one is better. So in this way, if you want stock market trainings and any other services, please call us at 798-160-2112. We are there here to help you. Thank you.